Just cutting across. So Jackson and Lily's is very, very busy inside there. Specials, early birds, happy hours to this place. Wow, look at those. We have the Bali love. On the street fan. Say hello. Woo. You have the Bali love. T-shirts. Look at that. Oh la la. Very, very nice. How are you? Woo. You have the Bali love. Yeah. Trendy, Miu, however you pronounce some goods as well, running shoes. Look at those, oh la la, very, very nice. Sandals and things are offered here. Pizza get one free, margarita pizza. Shorts, I think. Very nice, very usual things. Prada, Gucci, Chloe, all in there. Louis Vuitton, pack. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 7 p.m. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak. So in a previous video here in Seminyak, I walked from the Bintang supermarket to the street of Jalan Champlung Tanduk, along the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak. In tonight's video, I'm going to be continuing on from the street of Jalan Raya Champlung Tanduk and completing where the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak finishes and meets the street of Jalan Basankasa. So as I'm walking along the street, there's no actual hotel accommodation options, I don't think, on this section of street. It might be just off the street itself, but none on the actual street itself. I shall be taking all of the restaurants, all of the bars, all of the shopping, as tattoo studios, as massage and spa, lots of tourist goods shopping, lots of nice boutique shopping, particularly for you ladies, some nice authentic original design clothes, lots of handbags, lots of shoes and sandals, all things of that nature you'll find. And there's also a great collection of jewellery shops along this section of street. It's going to be featured in tonight's video. Just about everything you could need for the perfect shopping holiday here in the Seminyak area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, this is a start point for this evening's video. This is the street of Jalan Champlung Tanduk, where I finished my last video, heading from this direction from the Bintang supermarket. In tonight's video, we're going to be heading along the section of street here to the street of Jalan Basankasa. So we have the Goat Central pub of Bali across the street there. All you can eat steaks, 50k. Some people queuing up to get in there. Just go and have a see across. So you're just cutting across here. There's a look inside. Oh, it's quite busy inside. Okay, so just coming out of the Goat Central, the pub of Bali. Just on this side we have Slushy Island, artisanal slushies. Very unique entrance here. Slushy Island, all the slushies in there. Hello? We have Riva Contemporary Jewels here. Nice looking jewellery shop. It's very, very nice stuff in here. Can't really pick it up, it's a little bit dark, but some nice stuff in there. We have Milk and Madu, featured this in the video, fabulous restaurant. Have a shop selling handbags and shoes there. I'm pretty sure there'll be many more as we walk down the street. Show you the Milk and Madu. This is a fabulous restaurant, just featured this in the video. Smile baby, you're in Bali. Very, very nice. Just show you inside here how busy it is. Very, very busy inside of there. Wow. Firm on this side as well. Just take you around and show you on this side. That's inside on that side. Very, very nice. Okay, so just coming out of Milk and Madu now. The Bluebird taxi on the street there. Have a PMV money changer. This is an authorised money changer, legitimate money changer. Safe changing money here. Various branches here in Bali. So good shops across the street. We'll head across on the other side of the street actually. Okay, so just cutting across on the other side of the street, we have a handbag shop here. Fendi, Miu, however you pronounce them, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, many in there. Chloe bags up there. Some nice shoes as well, running shoes. All different colours, all different styles. Lots in there. Have Alice. Some nice ladies' gear in here. Looks like underwear garments. Very nice. Another jewellery shop here. Wow, some really nice pieces of jewellery. Very unique. Look at those, oh la la. Very nice. This one would be something in there. Wow, look at those. Nice necklace as well. Some very nice stuff on offer in there. Ladies' clothing and things in here. Some nice unique ladies' handbags as well. Wow, look at those. La la. Very beautiful. Nice. Some kind of little cart there. So there's the authorised money changer, mini mart, convenience store, the clothing shop there. Another shop here selling the sandals and the shoes and things. Look at those. Very nice. Birkenstock, the Hoka ones in here. Nike as well. Very nice stuff in there. Big collection of stuff inside, sports shirts and everything as well. More of the handbags here. Coach, Louis Vuitton, Goyard. Very nice ones there. Not sure what that one is. I've Cafdunia here. So not busy in there. Very quiet. Just a couple of customers in there. Have Rudy shop across the street there. This is another handbags and running shoes shop. Happy hour at Cafdunia. Capel Awards, which is a jewellery shop. Some Bali hats here. Caps. New York. Superman. Big collection again inside there. More of the handbags and things again here. Milano, Marc Jacobs to see there. There's some people walking past now. It's a little bit difficult with the camera. More jewellery shops across the street there. Other ladies and men's boutique clothing. Have Ginger Snap Bali here. It's like a black and white theme shop, this one. Ginger Snap Bali. Very nice, unique stuff in there. So they sell accessories as well. Nice unique cap as well there. Hair braiding, some kind of salon or something here. We're going to head across the street. We're going to pick up some of these shops here. We have a jewellery shop here. We have some ladies' boutique style clothing. Spa there. Blink by Capel Awards. So just cutting across the street. This is a place called Summer Bella Collective. Ladies' clothing in there. Another ladies' clothing shop next door. Nice handbags. Lots of boutique style clothing and shops here. Ladies and men's in there. Open every day. Hello, good evening, girls. How are you? Woo. Do you have the Bali look? Bali look. Little foot, yeah? little foot body massage and nails. Come and see these lovely girls and ladies here. Thank you, girls. Blink by Capel of Woods here. Some very, very nice jewellery. Wow. The girls are laughing now still. We're just heading along now for another restaurant across the street here. Alma Coquet, it's another jewellery shop. Bali hair braiding. We're going to cut across back on the other side, I think. This is called Sahasa. Work from Kafapak. Very nice, unique seating area inside with the orangutans on the wall there. Wow, beautiful. Just continuing on from Sahasa. All mines, it's like men's shorts, I think. Very nice, very unique shorts in there. From Dirty Sanchez, barber here, just having his hair cut. Come in, we are open, get your hair cut. Mary Wholesale here. Some beautiful sandals and things on offer here. Wow. Birkenstock, some leather ones there. Many, many inside there. Wow. All I need croquette lady. This is new, I haven't seen this before. Very, very nice. And we're going to show you across the street a unique t-shirt shop there. We have the Ink Factor there. Made to a Rung is coming up. Okay, so this is called Nak Bali. Some very, very unique t-shirts. Look at that, ooh la la. Very nice. There's Bali one there as well. Bali female. Kids as well. Kids, men's, ladies. All available in there. It's nice, the Bali one. Wow, very nice. Have the Ink Factor tattoo studio just next door here. Some guys in there. We have Rihanna Massage, the original lounge tattoo studio as well there. Let's go and see the Rihanna Massage. Sorry, it's Rini Massage, I think, not Rihanna. Rini Massage is up there. Hello? Have the Bali look. Have some tourists here on the street, fine. Say hello. Woo. You have the Bali love. The tattoo studio here. Wow, nice. Maids were Rung here. Kayana Salon and Spa across the street there. This is another tattoo studio, very unique doors. Just let me show you the doors, the entrance to this place. Wow, look at those. Very, very unique inside there. Okay, so just from the tattoo, we have Kayana Spa and Maids Warung across the street there. We have the pure vegetarian Indian here. It's just here. So very, not too busy in there. We'll just cut across the street to Maids Warung. Okay, so that's the Indian restaurant there, Kalish Parabat pure vegetarian restaurant. Have a mini mart convenience store, Guardian Pharmacy, Alpha Mart. And this is Maids Warung here, very, very long established Warung in there. Can't really see too much. Buy 2 pizza, get 1 free, margarita pizza. How are you, brother? You good?
Good, brother. Good.
Good, good. So there's the entrance. There's the name. Made Made Warung. Just through the gates there. There's also on Go Food as well. Looks like an ice cream place here. Have Queen's Tandoori across the street there. Another jewellery shop here. Very nice pieces of jewellery in there. Collection of ATM machines here in case you've done too much shopping and need to withdraw some money. Queen's Tandoori doesn't look too busy inside of there. It's a very nice looking restaurant that we're going to cut across on the other side. Okay, so just cutting across on the other side. After summer, some t-shirts and things like that in there, bikinis. More handbags, perfumes and stuff like that in there. Just across the street there we have Jackson Lilies. Very impressive looking place that. Just cutting across, so Jackson Lilies is very, very busy inside there. And we've got quite a few customers in there. Hello, good evening, how are you? Good? So we have all the menu and everything on display here at the front. Everyday specials, early birds, happy hours, lots of stuff going on there. We're going to cut back across the street and just turn back onto the restaurant that's opposite us. So we have lots of tourist goods shops and things here. Very, very nice bags. Nice collection of hats and things here. Some unique hats. Cowboy hats, Bali hats, very, very many there. Some home decor goods and things. Some more sandals and shoes and things. Prada, Gucci, Chloe, all in there. Louis Vuitton. Very, very nice. And then we have Shiv Cigar. This is another pure veg Indian restaurant. So there's the Jackson Lily place there. Shiv Cigar, pure veg Indian. Lots of tourist goods again here. This guy's got a huge collection of the sports shirts and things here. Many in there. All in the back of the shop. Nice. I think that's a new restaurant, Turkish Cuisine Bali. This one across the street. And this is where we're finishing this evening. This is where the street changes from Jalan Raya Seminyak here to Jalan Basangkasa in this direction. With Wild Habit across there, so a very popular restaurant. Small tourist goods shops here. And this will lead you up towards the bypass.